The market dropped again today. It's down. What should you do now? Should you sell? Should you panic? Should you hold? Should you add some more? I hope this video helps you, and I hope this gives you clarity on what you should do when the market is down and everyone's panicking. Check this video out. Hey guys, good afternoon. The market's closed. This is Marvin Germo. It's my third day here in Qatar, and I'm about to go for my talk called Investing Insights, just here also in Dubai. But before that, as you all know, I love talking about the markets. I love giving you an update on how you can trade the markets with confidence, because at the end of the day, it's all about education. It's all about you knowing the right ideologies on how you can win and how you can trade the markets with ease and confidence. So now, the market, intraday, no, when I was watching the market today, and again, context, Dubai is 4 hours behind, so when I woke up, the market was almost at least close to lunchtime already. When I woke up also, I saw the market at around 7,588, which is what I mentioned also yesterday, that please remember there are support ranges that you have to follow. That yesterday was a large breakdown, that because of the large breakdown, it pushed and caused the markets to go lower and stronger, which where the support is at 7,500. So it was expected based on yesterday's movement that the market would go to the 7,500 level. Now, intraday it hit 7,588. As it hit 7,588, you can expect that there would be a level of buying back again in those areas. So the market hit 7,588, then in the latter parts of the trading day, you saw it start to bounce and go up to around 7,600, I think, 7,600 plus. So I don't have my laptop with me, but it bounced at 7,600 plus, which confirms our support range at 7,500. Now, how do you break this down even further? There's three possible scenarios, and depending on what type of a trader or investor are you, I hope this helps you, and I hope this gives you a good analysis on how you could win in the markets. Number one, if it does not hold, the 7,500 range does not hold, you have to remember 7,500 is a strong support range, meaning there should be a lot of buying that could happen or should happen at that range, meaning this is the tipping point also that confirms how bullish our market will be. If 7,500 does not hold, please avoid, do not buy. It may look cheap, but do not buy it, because it will drop even further and the market will turn bearish already for the midterm. I repeat, if the 7,500 range does not hold, the market will turn bearish. Do not buy even if it looks cheap. Next, if it stays and hovers around the 7,500 level, it confirms again how strong the support is, and it could be an area for you to start to accumulate, especially for those of you who are who want to position for the long term. This is your time to buy the index and some of the stocks that are going alongside the index, that you can buy them cheap. It's cheaper than 8.1. It's not as cheap as 6.8, but it's the cheapest that you can get it while the market is bullish. Now, that's a good time for you to accumulate, especially if you are an investor and you are sort of a position trader wanting to buy at the strong support ranges. If it bounces, also, that's the third scenario. If it bounces as a third scenario, then that would be another good area for you to start to come in, because as it bounces, I believe it could go to 7.8 and go back to as high as 8,100. So for those who want to make those trades for bounces, it's a buy at 7,500 and it's a resistance and a target price at 8.1. Midterm resistance is 7.8. The further one is at 8,100, which is the strongest resistance for this duration. So there. Again, there's a difference from buying a market when it's cheaper, as what you saw when it was at 7,500, 7,600, or way back last year when it was 6,800. And it's different also when the market is high at around 8,100. It will always also go back to valuations. And from what I know and what I've started to see, there's a shift on funds moving from other emerging markets, shifting and pivoting back to China. So there will be more money moving in our region away from the Philippines again and back to China. So for that to happen, there must be and should be a sell down also of Philippine stocks as well. But again, it's nothing that you should be worried about it, because things like this, I've seen this happen over and over and over and over. So when people sell, either you stay away, then you come in when it's cheap again, stay away, come back in when it starts to bounce, or if you're a person who follows reversals in trends, you come in when it starts to reverse. So downward movements should not be an area for you to panic. You always stick to your technicals and your fundamentals, because that's what will keep you profitable, not just now, but it will keep you profitable repeatedly over the long term. So there, I hope that video I hope this video helps you, that it gives you insights and it gives you the sound analysis for you to win in the markets, because that's what I want. I just want more and more and more and more and more Filipinos to actually win, that it's possible that wherever you are in the world. If you notice, 2 weeks ago I was in Qatar. A few days prior to that, I was in Legazpi City. Then now I'm in Dubai. But what does it mean? You can trade the markets regardless of where you are, and regardless of what you do, and regardless of the time frame. You just need a plan. You just need a strategy for you to make your money work hard for you. So that's it for now. After Dubai, I'll be back. No, I'll be in Manila for Stock Smarts Manila. I think I'll be there for a couple of sessions for the next 3 weekends. But in between that, I'll be in Butuan for a talk with New Life Butuan. Then also in Baguio City for PNB. Then on April, Stock Smart Cebu, Stock Smarts Japan this April 13. Then Icon 2019 this May 25. So I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. Marvin Germo, as you all see, it's a very, 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 I think, it's not foggy, but I think it's a dusty day today here in Dubai. But I hope this helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. God bless you all. See you all again soon, and have a great day. Bye-bye.